And today, Colorado Congresswoman Diana DeGette joined the president of Planned Parenthood of the Rocky Mountains, pushing for the Senate to pass legislation protecting people's right to abortion care.
They also gave a deeper look at the impact overturning Roe could have here in Colorado. Denver 7's Jason Grenauer joins us live in the newsroom. You listen in on that press conference, Jason. It's clear that more women seeking abortions will likely come here to Colorado.
Yeah, Shannon, we've been reporting how abortion will still be legal in Colorado, even if Roe is overturned because of the recently passed state law here. But abortion would be banned or restricted in all of our neighboring states except for New Mexico. And that would mean a likely increase in out-of-state patients that come to Colorado for that legal form of health care. Now, Planned Parenthood of the Rocky Mountains says they saw a dramatic increase in patients by the thousands after Texas's controversial abortion law passed. They are already seeing the impact of the Supreme Court leak as well.
And yes, indeed, we're seeing more and more patients across the country just yesterday make more appointments.
Now, Planned Parenthood says they are hiring locally. They need more administrative and operations staff and would likely have to hire more licensed providers if the demand for care increases. Congresswoman Diana DeGette says that demand is coming.
If abortion becomes illegal or practically illegal in half of the states, Planned Parenthood and other abortion providers will be overwhelmed with people from out of state who are trying to come. So the current staffing issues will be really exacerbated a lot.
Now, both pro-choice and anti-abortion groups are working on ballot amendments to change the state constitution to protect or ban abortion here in Colorado. We have that in-depth breakdown up right now on thedenverchannel.com. Live in the newsroom, I'm Jason Grenauer, Denver 7.
All right, Jason, thank you very much.